Hello, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to look at line charts in Microsoft Excel. So in the previous video in the playlist for charts we looked at bar charts, and then we looked at the column charts. So today we are privileged to look at line charts. So what is the difference between different type of charts that we have? So first of all, you must understand the type of data you have for you to know which appropriate chart can you be able to use. So in the previous data that we had, the previous charts that we had, we were looking at categorical data. The categorical data uh, is where now we can be able to apply the column charts and the bar charts and the pie charts. And for instance, now you have to visualize a continuous data. You will not be able to make use of the bar charts and the pie charts. So it is good for you to also understand the dynamics of where to do what. So we have categorical data, and then we have the continuous data. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you plot your simple line chart in Microsoft Excel. So what you do is that you highlight your data the way I have highlighted mine, then go to insert. Under insert, you will see here lines. So when you hover around, you'll see insert line or area chart. So just click the first one. You'll be able to see that you've inserted line chart. So that's how we insert a line chart in Microsoft Excel. So we just want to maybe format this our chart to be more appealing. We give it a title. So the data that we have here today is a data on the population of ocean animals. So in this case, we are talking about the ocean animals. So we have sharks, we have dolphins, and then we have whales. So we are looking at the population density. We are looking at population density of animals, of water animals in from the year 2017, from 2017 to 2022. So we are looking at this population of these animals. So we can then remove the grid lines. Click any of the grid line, then click the backspace for you to remove the grid lines. Or if you just want to have them, you can still have them. So you can also be able to add axis. So the axis titles, you can be able to add the axis titles. So this is we can call this year. Can call this year, and then we can call this size or number. So that is it. So at least we have that. That's the simplest line chart that we can have in Microsoft Excel based on our continuous data that we have. So what are some of the insights that you can make here from this? Is that we start by looking at the first, let's talk about sharks. What is the trend? Because the aim of line chart enables us to understand the trend in terms of this visualization. So in this case, the line chart shows that the number of sharks are represented by, you just look at the legend here. You can change the position of the legend by clicking on this add chart element and then click on the legends, and then now change the position of the legend from here. You can change the position of the legend from here. From there, you can put it to the left, or you can put it to the right, or you can have more options. So let me put it to the right. Looks more clear than it was. So at least, yeah, in this visual, so we can be able to see, we were talking about the sharks. So sharks, the trend shows that the sharks are represented by the blue color. So the data shows that the population for sharks has increased tremendously from the year 2017 to the year 2022. So you can hover around to see different data points. You can see in the 2018 we have 54. So these are the data points. When you hover around, you can be able to see that from different junctions that we have. We have looked at the sharks. So let's also look at dolphins. So the population for dolphins actually decreases as the year go by, as the year goes by. So from the year 2017, the population of dolphins have decreased tremendously. So maybe we may be able to need to understand this population. What is happening in the aquatic environment? So we need to understand what is it that is making sharks to grow while the dolphins are decreasing their population. So let's look at the whales. The whales, when you look at the whales, the population for the whales keep on varying. It is not constantly decreasing or constantly increasing. It is in between. It is varying. So on an average understanding, you can say that, yeah, well, it depends with the factors that affect the uncontrolled factors, but at least there is some kind of decrease and increase at the same time when it comes to the trend for the whales. So at least for the whale, you can say that is a normal ecosystem balance. While for the case of dolphin, there is a problem. And also maybe sharks also we may be able to want to understand why is it that its population is increasing that fast. Thank you. So that is it. How we generate line charts in Microsoft Excel and be able to come up with insights out of it. Thank you.